The litter robot is equipped with AntiPinch sensors on both sides of the waste drawer chute to ensure your cat's safety while in use. These sensors monitor for potential pinch conditions at all times. If your light bar has a yellow ping-pong light, this indicates that the AntiPinch sensors have been activated. You will also receive a notification on your phone if you use the Litter Robot app. While cycling, the globe will stop and retract for 5 seconds. After a 2-second pause, the unit will attempt to continue the cycle. After 3 attempts, it will stay in this position until it's powered off and on, or the error is cleared. First, let's check inside the waste drawer to see if there are any foreign objects that could be activating the sensors. Now, let's run a test cycle. Short press the reset button, then short press the cycle button to run a clean cycle. After the test cycle, your litter robot should be in the home position, displaying a solid blue light bar. If your unit displays a solid blue light bar, you've been successful. If your unit is not displaying a solid blue light bar, please follow these troubleshooting steps. Let's check for any additional debris that may interfere with the sensors during the cycle. First, we will remove the bonnet and globe to look for any issues. Make sure the unit is in the home position. Press the power button to turn the unit off, then unplug the unit from the wall. If you have a fence installed, remove this from the bezel. To open the bonnet, press and hold the latches on both sides of the bonnet, then lift and rotate the bonnet to its open position. Note, you typically need to remove the bonnet completely only during deep cleaning or bonnet replacement. To remove the globe, grab the black handle located on top of the globe and lift the globe off the base. Lift the globe up and away from the base and place it on the ground nearby. This will provide access to the base unit. Inspect the AntiPinch sensors. The AntiPinch sensors are located at the sides of the dump port within the base. These are active at all times to ensure we can detect any motion within the drawer. Make sure both pinch bars are free of debris and clean. Press inward on the AntiPinch bar. You should hear an audible click. This ensures the AntiPinch sensors are working properly. Inspect the carbon filter. The carbon filter is located on the underside of the globe. If it is not fully seated, it is possible that it may have contacted an AntiPinch sensor during the cycle. Make sure the filter cover is fully seated and has not popped out during shipping or cleaning. Check for and remove any obstructions around the waste port hole and in the globe track. Now that we've checked for any obstructions, let's reinstall the globe and bonnet and check for proper operation of the unit. To install the globe, hold the globe by the black handle and set it into the base. Keep the globe handle and waste port oriented toward the top to ensure the globe is close to the home position. The large black gear on the rear of the globe should easily engage with the smaller white drive gear in the base. If the bonnet was completely removed, rotate the bonnet upward and align the hinge feature of the bonnet at the back of the base. You should hear the latches snap into place. Check to make sure the center tab at the top of the bonnet is secured in its pocket by pushing down on the bonnet at the tab location. Reinstall the fence by snapping it onto the bezel at the globe entrance. Plug the unit in and power it on. If your unit displays a solid blue light bar, you've been successful. If your unit is not displaying a solid blue light bar, there's likely an issue with your litter robot. Please contact our customer experience team for additional assistance at whiskersupport.com.